Hey guys, it's Mr. Golias. We are taking a look at goal 4, which is the driving questions. So we're adding our 4 driving questions to our Genius Hour slides. So you go to your Genius Hour slides, your goal 3 was your planning and preparation, and you're going to create a new slide, call it goal 4, driving questions. Everyone's going to have a similar first question because it must relate to our careers. So it's career connection. You must find all 3 of these pieces: jobs, qualifications, and salaries. Here's what it might look like for an augmented reality project. I put, if one pursues a career in the field of augmented reality, what types of jobs exist? What qualifications are there for these jobs? What starting salaries can one expect? So we're answering all 3. You can put these into 1 question, 2 questions, it's up to you, but these 3 things must be covered. Then for questions 2, 3, and 4, that's where it's open-ended, and we're expecting those questions that can be debated. They're not easily answered. It gives a person a chance to go deep. They're not going to show up in the first or second Google click. We're going to have to do some digging. So if you are struggling with questions 2, 3, and 4 for yourself, you'll notice in the direction, slide number 31, it says struggling to think of questions. There's a link here, and there's a nice little article that Mrs. Brozick had written for us, and just walk through this, and this will help you write the other questions if you're still struggling after doing ITS 6, which was the driving question. So hopefully the ITS helps you, but if not, you also have this resource, and then you can go ahead and put your last 3 driving questions. Good luck!